Hello and welcome to the Friends First videos. Today I'm doing a little video on approachability. See, when you go dating, it's really important that you are an approachable type person. You don't want to stand around like this with your arms closed or looking really shy or down like that. You want to be somebody who's open and approachable, because we all want people to approach us, don't we? But if you're somebody that's looking really sort of shy, withdrawn, holding yourself as if you don't want anybody to come near you, then you're going to make it very difficult for other people to approach you and to say hi and get to know you and start a conversation. So it's a really good thing to think about. How is your body language when you go out dating? We all feel nervous when we go dating, but prepare yourself and think about your body language. Think about being open, being friendly, having a smile on your face, having an open face, having open eyes that make people want to approach you. I had a friend, she was a girl and she was such a warm, lovely, open personality. She exuded joy and happiness. She had a very open personality. She was incredibly approachable. Everybody wanted to be her friend. Now, if you're in a dating situation, that's the sort of person you want to be. You want people of all ages, all kinds of people, male and female, to come up to you and to approach you. Now, obviously, if you're a man, you're looking for a woman, and if you're a woman, you're looking for a man. But you want to be approachable. You want to cultivate that sense of approachability with everyone you meet. Practice with everyone you meet, so that when you are in a dating situation, or perhaps you're at church, or you're in a social occasion, or you're at a party, and you're single and you're looking to somebody, you're always looking to be approachable so that other people can come up to you and say, hi, I'd like to start talking to you. If you cultivate that sense of approachability and openness, I think your dating will take on a different turn. That's all for today. Hope you found that useful. If you'd like to get in touch and hear how you can meet more people through Friends First and receive more coaching, then telephone us on 020 088 3023 and we'd be delighted to talk to you. Alternatively, click the link below. Goodbye.